They believed they were the only true Deathworlders until they met humans. Before we dive in, drop a emoji in the comments. You know what that means, Deathworlders. But today, they're about to learn they're not alone at the top. Let's begin. In the galaxy, there are worlds no sane species would dare colonize. Worlds that burn, worlds that choke, worlds where the air eats through steel and the rain boils flesh. They're called Deathworlds. And there's one species who claimed they were born to rule them. Cut to planet Brontar 7, jagged volcanic hellscape, toxic skies, acid oceans, constant tectonic tremors. This was home to the Vordak, a predator race evolved to survive anything: 8-limbed, exoskeletal armor, internal temperature regulators. Their motto? Born of flame, baptized in storm. We are the strongest. We are the first. They fought extinction-level storms just to raise their young. Other races feared them, admired them, and when they joined the Galactic Council, they made it known. We are the only true Deathworlders. Until Earth was discovered. Cut to Galactic Survey drone feed. The Council survey probe dropped into Earth's orbit expecting another garden world. Instead, it catalogued apex predators on every continent, hyper-adaptive viruses, massive seismic zones, volcanic, super hot zones, freezing poles, hurricanes, tsunamis, wildfire seasons, and then it got confused because there were cities, skyscrapers, farms, spaceports. The drone flagged Earth as Deathworld Class 5, then added, inhabited by sentient bipeds. Council. Silence followed. The Vordak laughed. Impossible, they said. Deathworlders cannot build. They must survive. That's all there is. Cut to first contact. Earth orbit. A Vordak warship arrived. Observation only. They expected primitive huts, tribes, maybe fire. Instead, they saw humans, calm, controlled, drinking coffee at the edge of hurricane zones. They watched footage of a wildfire near a human town. Instead of fleeing, firemen ran into the flames with nothing but water tanks and determination. One Vordak soldier said, "Are they trying to fight the planet?" Cut to documentary clip. Earth's challenges. The Vordak watched Earth documentaries on mountaineers climbing Everest with frozen lungs, Arctic explorers racing across ice with dogs, undersea welders risking instant death, paratroopers jumping into live volcano zones. At first, the Vordak thought it was propaganda until they saw the casualty statistics and realized humans weren't surviving Earth, they were challenging it for fun. Cut to Earth Vordak Diplomatic Summit. The Vordak High Commander met with UN representatives. He said nothing at first, just stared. Then he whispered, "Your world is broken, President." Reyes smiled. "No, it's alive, and so are we." Flashback, Vordak internal dialogue. "We evolved on a death world. They built civilization on one. We hid from storms, they study them, they chase them. They were not shaped by survival, they shaped the rules of survival." Cut to Vordak cultural shift. Young Vordak warriors began watching human survival training. They emulated SAR missions. They joined human expeditions. One became the first Vordak to summit K2 with a human team. He returned and said, "We are not the first, we are the next." Cut to Earth Station, joint training grounds. Now, on the edge of Jupiter's moons, human and Vordak forces trained together. They call it Project Helix. Its goal: teach others how to survive the unsurvivable. One trainee asks a question: "What's the scariest part of Earth?" A Vordak laughs and says, "It's not the planet. It's that humans look it in the eye and smile." They believed they were the only true Deathworlders. Then they met us and found something worse than danger. They found competitors, they found teachers, they found family. Humanity doesn't just survive Deathworlds, we thrive on them. If this story Lit you up? Head to my profile now for the next wild HFY chapter. Drop a Deathworld Dominator in the comments and follow for more. Until next time, stay strong, stay insane, stay human.